Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
First shots going up from those near robots. Now the far field backing them up, sending more and more artifacts right up into the goal. Both these alliances absolutely barraging the goal right here. 51-89 on the Red Alliance. That's Wolves Robotics out of Texas coming in the near field, running right alongside a Blue Alliance member, GP Robotics Unity, also out of Texas. From the far field, you can see Load Robotics with the orange turret lining up. In comes Galactic Narwhal Chicken Effect for the Blue Alliance, trying to do the same as Autonomous ends.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, two, one.
All four robots did leave during that Autonomous as well. So Red Alliance won by just one artifact. Now we're moving on into teleoperated with these robots firing into the goals, trying to cement a win for their own alliances. But if Auto is any sign, it's going to be close. Does appear an Allen key came loose and is sitting on the middle of the field. We'll see how that affects our teams, but it seems like everyone should be running around just fine for now. Blue Alliance Classifier emptying itself, now closing back up just in time for GP Robotics Unity to come back in, loading up a couple more artifacts off of that. Load Robotics on the Red Alliance, loading up from the loading zone back to the launch zone, specializing in these deep shots for the Red Alliance. Their partners complementing them very nicely with the close-up Wolves Robotics from San Antonio, Texas. They're back in the close launch zone, bringing artifacts right on into the ramp. Already getting full, so they emptied out just in time for some more shots from Load to classify right on in. Blue Alliance is growing a lead, 232 to 181 now, so it is still relatively close. Blue has locked up the goal ranking point. Red is close behind. If both those alliances can, they will both walk away with something, no matter how this match ends. 45 seconds to go. Both alliances above 200 points. This is going to be an enormously high combined score as both alliances put up impressive numbers here on the Croft division. Load Robotics and Galactic Narwhals both going to that far launch zone, each wanted for their own alliance, generally staying out of each other's way for now. As we approach the endgame whistle, Blue Alliance above 300 points, Red Alliance not far behind at 267. There was the end game whistle. We are coming into the fight, 15 seconds to go. Blue Alliance definitely growing a strong lead now, closing in on 400 points. Red Alliance lining up with those end game parks. Blue Alliance coming in for the same as our final buzzer sounds in match 92.
Is Blue Alliance with a score of 450 points. Let's present fast the 94, no,